Okay. We'll start our lesson. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher, you can hear.
Okay, we'll start a new discipline. It's calling Technological Foundations of Mechanical Engineering. Technological Foundation of Mechanical Engineering. Today's theme 1, Basic Concepts and Definitions. Please note this in your notebooks.
Okay.
Plan of our lecture. Item 1.1, classification of products. Classification of products. One point two, production and technological processes at the machine building factory. Production and technological processes at the machine building factory. Item 1.3, parts of the technological process. Parts of the technological process. And now we start item 1.1, classification of products. A product is an item of production subject to manufacture at the factory. There are the following types of products. There are the following types of products. Parts, assembly units, complexes, and sets. One more time, there are the following types of products: parts, assembly units, complexes, and sets. Depending on the final stage of this production, products can be not only manufactured or repaired machines, but also complete machine elements and individual parts. For example, for an automobile factory, the product is a car. For a motor building factory, is an engine. And for a piston factory, it is a piston. So products can be not only manufactured machines, but also complete machine elements and individual parts, like a piston, for example. Products depending on the presence or absence of their components, are divided into two groups. Not specified. First group, it's not specified. Not having components or parts. Not having components or parts. And second group, specified. Consisting of two or more components or parts. It's assembly units, complexes, and sets. So specified products is its assembly units, components, and sets. And not specified products, it's a parts. A part is a product made of homogeneous material without the use of assembly operations. A part is a product made of homogeneous material without the use of assembly operations. An assembly unit is a product, the components of which are to be connected to each other at the manufacturing plant by assembly operations. For example, screwing, welding, etc. A complex is two or more specific products that are not connected at the manufacturing plant by assembly operations, but are intended to perform interrelated operational functions. For example, an automatic workshop, a drilling rig. One more time, a complex is two or more specific products that are not connected at the manufacturing plant by assembly operations, but are intended to perform interrelated operational functions. For example, an automatic workshop, a drilling rig. A set is a set of products that have a common operational purpose of an auxiliary nature. For example, a set of tools, a set of spare parts, a set of tools, a set of spare parts. So, is it clear what's the difference between part, an assembly unit, and a complex, and a set?
Yes, sure. Yes.
Okay, now I want to show you some video about technological and technological process and production processes.
Okay.
Let's see the first video. Can you see?
Yes, now I can see. Yes. Teacher, but there is no audio. If it's possible, can you send the video?
Without sound? Sound? You didn't.
Yes.
Okay,
that sound.
just video and that is enough.
Okay.
That is a different technological process of building parts or mechanisms. It's cutting of the gear. And of course, you can load these videos on our site. And you can look it again in your computer. It's a process of making of the tools. It's cutting. Another technological process in fishing. That was technological processes in different plants and factories. And we are returning to our presentation, and we are start. Item 1.2. Production and technological processes as a machine building factory. Production and technological processes at the machine building factory. At the machine building car repair factory, various processes are performance related to the manufacture or repair of products. The totality of interrelated actions of people and tools of production required at the given factory for the manufacture or repair of a product is called the production process or manufacturing process. Please write down to your notes what is the production process. The totality of interrelated actions of people and tools of production required at a given factory for the manufacture or repair of a product is called the production process. The production process includes not only the main processes associated with the transformation of initial materials to obtain finished products, but also auxiliary ones, such as the production of tools, fixed tires, equipment repair, as well as service processes, intra-factory transformation of materials and parts, warehouse operations, control, etc., to enable the production of products. And it was a production process. And what is a technological process? A technological process is a part of the production process that contains actions to change and further determine the state of the subject of production. One more again. Technological process is a part of the production process that contains actions to change and further determine the state of the subject of production. Consequently, when performing the technological process, a change in the shape, dimensions, properties of the material or semi-finished product is achieved in order to obtain a product in accordance with the specific technical requirements. There are technological processes of machining, heat treatment, assembly, etc. For example, Examples of the technological process is machining, heat treatment, assembly. And another video about technological process and production processes. Video number 2. Can you see this video? It's okay?
Yes, teacher.
Ayman, Zaid,
Yes, you can see.
I hear you, Zaid.
We can see.
Ayman. Shelf manufacturing process flow. Cut wire and make the wire strength. Automatic welding, combination welding, color welding, and full inspections. That is the technological process. And now we see this process. Automatic strength wire machine. Automatic welding. Edge cutting. Semi-automatic flame welding. Combination welding for shelf. Color welding. Full inspection. Tube manufacturing process. Tube cutting, tube notching, inserting bolt, tapping, full inspection of tapping. Surface treatment. That is tube cutting, tube notching, bolt inserting, auto tapping, full inspections of joining, chrome plating processing. Automatic chrome plating line. And another step is the packing. It's final step. It's final step of technological process. Okay. That was all what I want to show you in first part of our lecture. Now we have a break for 5 minutes. If we are disconnect, please connect it again to our lesson after
Okay, teacher.
5 or 10 minutes break. So now it's break 5 minutes.
Okay.